Hi everyone. What I'm going to do is just very quickly show you how to generate your own QR codes that you can use in the classroom. There's lots of free QR code generators out on the internet. I really like qrstuff.com. It's just so easy to use. So I'll show you how to use it. Down the side, down here, you can see the data type. So we can choose websites, YouTube videos, Google Maps, plain text. Lots and lots of different things that you can put in as the content for your QR code. So for example, you might want your children to access a certain website. So they would get their iPads, they would have a free QR reader on there. There's lots of them in the App Store. You just have to search for QR reader. They would scan the code, which would automatically take them to the website that you actually wanted them to use. So to be able to do that, you just need to get the URL from a website that you like. So for example, this is my blog one. So I'm going to copy it, and then all you need to do is paste it in there, and you can see over here, this is the QR code that will link you directly into my website. So you just download the QR code, you can embed that code into a Word document, publish a document, just print it off just as the code, and you can use it like that. One of the really handy things that I like is just using plain text. So if you're going to send your children on a treasure hunt, you're going to ask them to answer a question, something like that, you can just use plain text. So for example, high frequency sight words. So what you might do is you've got a whole heap of QR codes with different sight words embedded into them. So for example, the word might be where. And you can see off to the side here that the QR code has already changed. So when the children scan that code now, the word where will come up. So you might say to them, choose one of these QR codes, let's scan it. Okay, what is that word? Can you spell it? Can you put it in a sentence? Can you write it on a chalkboard? Can you write it on the whiteboard? Etc., etc. So it's just another way of using QR codes. You can link in over here. It says YouTube videos. So you've got the YouTube ID or the URL. I find the URL is just much easier. So for example, this one here, which is counting by 10 long, which is really cool. Same thing, grab the URL, and we'll just stop that, come back to our QR, paste it in there, here's the code over here, and you just need to put it into whatever you're doing. So say for example you might have some maths problems that you want the children to work out. You could put the QR code at the end that links into the YouTube video, so that when they've finished working on that, they get onto YouTube and have a look at the Counting by Tens video that you've selected for them. So I hope that's given you guys enough information on how to generate QR codes. Give them a go in your classroom. Let me know how you go, and thanks for listening.